So, hi dear Cancer, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general weekly Osho Zen Tarot card reading for all the Cancer Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. I'm going to pull 7 cards for 7 days for from 19th till the 25th of August, and we will see what are the guidance or messages or warnings coming towards you for you guys for this particular week. Okay. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, let's see Cancer. The message is for you guys. For 19th of August, we have the letting go. On the 19th of August, you are going to be focusing very much on this energy of letting go of people, situations, things that's not making any sense to you anymore, or that's not serving you in your life anymore. Or you should, if you are not able to let go, you should let go. If you are already doing that, the universe got your back, and you're doing the right thing. So on 19th of August, your main focus is going to be on this energy of letting go of the people, situations, or things that's not meant for you anymore, that's not good for you anymore. And you are going to be in this energy of aligning more and more with the universe, more and more with your higher self, and letting go and letting God. Very good. 20th of August, the source. You're going to connect with the source, with the divine. You are going to be in this energy of feeling more and more connected to the divine, feeling more and more spiritually inclined towards universe, towards spirituality, for some of you towards religion, towards prayers, or towards healing. So it's like on the 20th of August, you are going to be finding yourself in this energy of connecting more and more with the divine and the source, and being on the spiritual side, more on the spiritual side, more on the spiritual journey, kind of a deal from your side. Okay, now on the 21st of August, we have the thunderbolt. Okay, something is going to fall apart. You're going to have some kind of epiphany. You are going to have some kind of realization, major realization about something or someone. It's like something is falling apart because it's not serving you anymore. This situation, this person, this connection, whatever is falling apart, is it's actually not serving you anymore. So take it as a positive sign from the universe, that universe is taking away something or someone from you because it's not serving your life anymore, and it's a spiritual awakening kind of a deal for you guys. You're going through major spiritual awakenings right now at this present moment, Cancer, and it might be very difficult phase for you right now, but trust me, this is happening for your highest good, for your soul journey. It's very important. Okay, on the 22nd of August, we have the possibilities. I do see whatever is happening right now might be you're going to feel like there is no possibility that you will be able to find a solution to a problem, or that you will be able to overcome a situation, or you will be able to get out of a problem, get out of a situation. Right now you're feeling like that, but you will be able to find the solutions. You will be able to see the possibilities to come out of some kind of situations, or you will be able to get the solutions or answers from the universe's side. Okay, there is still a hope, there is still possibility, even if you think it's not there. There it is. So the universe is going to give you solutions or answers to your problems, to your questions that you feel like you will never be able to find the solutions to or answers to. Okay, on the 23rd of August, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22 of 22nd of August. Okay, 20, 21, yeah, 22nd. For the 23rd, we have the clinging to the past. On the 23rd of August, you are going to find yourself in this position of, even if you're not trying to think about the past, you will be clinging to the past in some way, shape, or form, especially to the bad memories, to the bad situations, to the bad kind of energies that you are coming out of. You're trying your best not to cling to the past, or you try your best to not to cling to the past because it's already gone. And thinking about the future also all the time is not going to help you. So remaining in the present moment, remaining mindful about your feelings, about your situation, about your things, is going to help you a lot in letting go of the people and situations and things that are not there in your life anymore, but it's not helping you in any way right now. Okay, oh my god, what is wrong with me? I think somebody said something wrong to you, or somebody did something wrong with you, and you are not able to let it go. And the more you're trying to let it go, the more it's coming back. So don't try. Let it flow. If you feel like you should think about it, like with all of your heart and soul, and then slowly but surely let it go. Try to come back in the present moment after you are done thinking about it continuously. Try to come back in the present moment, like focus on your breath, or uh, do something creative, or just do something that you really like to do, or something like that. Okay. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24th of August, we have the innocence. So on the 24th of August, you are going to see, Cancer, you're a sign which is very wise, like which have a lot of a sign which is very wise, very innocent, and very kind hearted too. Very sensitive. And on the 24th of August, the universe wants you to use that innocence, use that childlike innocence. Even if you are the most intelligent person in the room, be like a child, be innocent like a child. Even if you know that, even if you have the whole experience of your life, be innocent like a child, be in the present moment, be playful, and see the magic unfolding in front of your eyes, the happiness, the magic. Very good. 25th of August, we have the compromise. Okay, in order to find a middle ground, in order to find a solution to a problem that you're facing in a particular situation, you might need to compromise with a particular person or situation, and you might think that I will never be able to do that, but try to find a middle ground in a situation. I do see that there is something going on in your life that is making you very miserable or sad or depressed, and you're not able to find the solution. Just try to find a middle ground in that situation, and see what can happen, what can come out of that. If you're not able to compromise, then you have to let the situation go. Otherwise, there's no solution to that particular thing. So this is what I have for you for this week. Hope this helps. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.